This is the presentation layout of the builders. First of all, I will tell you the definition, examples, properties, advantages. Then I will tell you what are the soap builders, what are the detergent builder, and then I will overall tell you the classification of the builder. It is also very vast classification of the builders. It is divided into two main parts, organic and inorganic. These are the organic classification of the builders, these are the inorganic, and the further every part is divided into more classes. They are very vast classification. So first of all, I will tell you the definition of the builders. Builders are basically such a compounds or chemical compound that are added into the detergents or a soap. In detergents, builders are added and are such material that can be used to bind the cation, mainly the calcium ions and magnesium ions that contain in the wash solution that is in the water softening. That's why it is used in builder. And what is the benefit of using detergent builder? The benefits are it can enhance the quality of water, thereby making the detergent work in more efficient manner. It improves the cleansing property. It improves the cleansing property and less amount is redeposited over the surface that is being cleaned. And the example of the detergent builders are sodium triphosphate and zeolite, and the source is EPA. And now I'm going to talk about the soap builders. Soap builders are substance which is mixed with the soap to modify the alkali content. Basically, to modify the alkali content, we add the builders and to add the water softening ability to improve otherwise the cleaning properties. And the examples of the soap builders are sodium phosphate and proteins. What are the properties of the builder? Buffering of the wash waters in alkaline range. Builder are basically water softener that are used to soften wash water by extracting them and binding the magnesium and calcium ions. Due to the action of the builders, the availability of the ions removed. As a result, the hardness of the wash water is being removed. This is the basic property that the wash water hardness can be removed easily by the builder's addition. It helped to prevent the redeposition of the soil after has been removed from the bed fabrics by surfactants. It carry absorbs liquid components in the product like surfactant as to produce dry and free flowing powder. It typically improves the wetting and emulsification characteristics of the detergent. And so, what are the advantages of adding the builder into the any cleaning product? The prime function of the detergent builder is to upgrade and prevent the cleaning efficiency of the surfactants. And the other advantage is it can also help in softening, buffering, and emulsifying. There are also many advantages of the buffer, and one of is this that it emulsifies the grease. It emulsifies oily and greasy soil by breaking up into the small part. Different builders in reality peptides suspend themselves and keep them away from and settling back onto the clean surface. Now I'm going to talk about the classification of these builders. Organic builders and inorganic builders. Inorganic builders. Inorganic builders. Inor- Such builders that are used in the detergents to enhance the efficiency of the cleansing agent. In inorganic builder, the combination of the builder and the surfactant exhibit a very cool effect that it can increase the detergency and the cleaning efficiency of the detergents. Builders should be compatible with the formulation of the ingredients so that the desired product and the additive can be added into it according to the desired amount or production. This is the inorganic surf builders, and now I'm going to talk about its one of its subgroup phosphate. Phosphates are further divided into two groups: orthophosphate and complex phosphate. And I have written the example of the orthophosphate and complex phosphate. And the commonly used complex phosphate are tetrasodium phosphate, sodium triphosphate, sodium tetraphosphate, etc. And the other class is silicates. Sodium silicate is basically produced by the fusion of the sand and the silica. Sodium carbonate with sand to form sodium silicate, and the side product is carbon dioxide. The ratio of the silica sand and the soda ash is very important in this reaction. Soluble glass and soluble powder are the two forms of the detergents which are prepared in the ratio of sodium hydroxide and silica. And the other class is carbonate. Sodium carbonate is produced by the Solvay process, which is used in the sodium dichloride, carbon dioxide, and ammonia process. Carbon dioxide is basically obtained from the I'm talking about the carbonate, and the carbon dioxide is basically obtained from the burning of the limestone to the lime in the chloride as a brine with the saturated ammonia. This is the calcium carbonate, and this is the decomposition of it. And then the carbon dioxide and the sodium chloride and the ammonium hydroxide react with each other to form sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. Further reaction proceeds, and then we form a sodium carbonate with the carbon dioxide and water. This is how we, we obtain the sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is being used due to the restriction in the use of the phosphate in different areas of the United States. Sodium carbonate, or the combination of sodium carbonate and the zeolite, has replaced the STP, sodium triphosphate, which is a builder in the laundry products. Sodium acetate is commonly used in the powder laundry detergent and automatic dishwashing product and hand surface cleaner. The fourth group is zeolite. The crystalline material has three-dimensional structure and has very complex structure. All the aluminium, oxygen, silicate, aluminium, oxygen, silicate. This is further, and the oxygen molecule is surrounded like this. This is the zigzag manner, and this is how the structure goes on. This is the structure of the zeolite, three-dimensional lattice structure of the simplified formula of the zeolite. It is the mostly widely used for the laundry detergents. The main advantage of zeolite as compared to the phosphate is non-solubility in water. And the magnesium ions are not totally removed by the zeolite due to the size of the magnesium. Therefore, zeolite are used in association with the builder such as sodium carbonate. We use zeolite in combination of this sodium carbonate. Now the last is the bleach active compound. Bleach active compound are basically the oxygen releasing compound are added to the detergents. As a bleach, the oxygen releasing detergents are added into the detergents as a bleaching active compounds. The peroxide, here is the equation. The peroxide react with the hydroxide to form water at open. Sir, my battery is going to die.
तो चार्जिंग नहीं साथ लग सकती?
Sir, mistakenly वह 5% रह गया. It's just going to dead.
अच्छा, आप इस टॉपिक को कंप्लीट कर लें, फिर ब्रेक ले लें आप, और उतनी देर में मैं बाकियों की प्रेजेंटेशन ले लूंगा. आप इस टॉपिक को क्लोज कर लें 5 मिनट में.
सर मैं फर्दर लेक्चर ही नहीं ले पाऊंगी. मैं स्क्रीनशॉट आपको सेंड कर दूंगी कि मेरी 5% रह गई है.
नहीं नहीं, वो नहीं बात मैं कर रहा. आप
सर थक गई है मरियम.
अच्छा चलें, अभी आप ब्रेक ले.